We are standing at the precipice of a climate catastrophe. Thanks to our insatiable addiction to fossil fuels, our planet is warming, our glaciers are melting, and our ocean is rising. What can we do to rally the support of individuals across coastal communities to begin to equitably plan for a future with rising seas? I believe socially engaged art has a role in solving that problem. And that's why I created The Underwater. In Miami, I worked with neighbors and friends to create a citywide art installation that had people asking, what is this about? What does this mean? And importantly, what can I do to solve the problem once they realized just how vulnerable they were? This process of discovery, conversation, and ultimately mobilization is something that can be replicated in every place where land touches water. I invite you to bring the Underwater Project to the place where you live. Download the PDF and they'll have instructions on how you can find out your elevation, or how you can work with friends and neighbors, how you can build an installation that will make sea level rise impossible to ignore in your coastal community. The situation is really dire, and your community needs your help. Use the power of art to engage others and be the change you want to be. Not just for those who you love who live around you now, but those to come in the future.